This week on Go Gardening, we're going to be talking about growing cold crops or cold crops, broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kale, those kinds of things. The interesting thing about them is they do like it cool. You can start a handful of them in the garden directly when the soil is warm enough, but not too warm. Broccoli is one that you can do that with some success. For the most part, it's easier, especially for beginning gardeners, if you actually buy transplants. But again, think in terms of these particular vegetables as being ones that do like the cooler season. So you can plant them early in the spring and harvest. You can actually seed and start your own transplants depending on what your variety is and when you're looking for harvest. You can actually use these as a fall crop as well. And some of them are very successful in the fall, particularly Brussels sprouts. They actually improve in flavor if they get frost on them. The interesting thing about Brussels sprouts also is once those little sprouts start to develop all the way up the stem, and once it gets cooler, if you pinch that growing point out at the top of the stem, what that will actually do is allow those Brussels to be a little bit more uniform in character. One of the hardest ones to grow for a home gardener is cauliflower. Cabbage, again, can be relatively easy. We have some great All-America selections. You do have to watch with all of these great cold crops for such wonderful little beasties as the cabbage looper, the cabbage worm, the beautiful white and kind of yellowish butterflies that are flying around. When you see those guys flying around, they are interested in laying their eggs, and then you've got those cabbage worms. So one of the recommendations to keep them out is to actually use floating row cover. That will really help in that process. But again, if you think in terms of cold crop, meaning cold crop, early season to not the heat of the summer or a little bit later in the summer into the fall, you're probably going to be successful.